Well, hi guys, welcome back to Linda's Pantry, and today I'm doing a weekly grocery haul, if you will. Let me get my camera up here a little bit better for you. So I went to Fred Meyer because this week you, for gas rewards points or Fred Meyer points, if you bought the organic line in the store, and that means anything that's, you know, with the Simple Truth organic label on it, you got 10 times the rewards points. So instead of just 1 point per dollar, you're getting 10 points per dollar. So I went ahead and I liked their line. I bought some baby butter lettuce, some red butter lettuce. I bought some lemons because I've been drinking lemon water. And in fact, I need to get, so organic lemons. I bought some organic baby bella mushrooms and some organic, I guess that's the only thing left, is organic ketchup. So the mushrooms, they were $3.49 for this package. It's only an 8-ounce package, so that's a little spendy. This was $3 for the lettuces. The lemons were $2.99, no, $3.49. They had a few things in the store, so I love these seltzer waters. I already opened this, and I had it out in the garage, and I thought, well, I better show you. So Kroger brand is over $1 cheaper than the other brand, or at least $1 cheaper. And this one, 0 carbs, 0 calories, caffeine free. It's just a sparkling water, and it's pink grapefruit flavored. So it's nice to add a little bit of flavor to your water. I don't necessarily need the whole can in a container of water, but so that was $3.99. I bought, because I've got a canning session coming up, I bought organic ketchup. If you bought 6 of these 40-ounce ketchups, you got them for $1.99 a piece. So I was like, I'm buying it. And then I can make a batch of barbecue sauce that I can put on the shelf that I don't, you know, that is gonna be shelf stable. And I'm gonna do that coming up really soon for you guys. I know I've done barbecue sauce before, but I wanna bring you along for another version. So they still have tomato soup and chicken noodle soup for $1 a can. So I bought 4 of those. I also needed some fish sauce for some upcoming recipes, so I bought one of those. And they had in the reduced, I went to get buttermilk, and they had this reduced from $2.39 down to $1.39. So I got a quart of buttermilk, and they also had body wash, $3.49. It's $6-something at Walmart. So this one smells really good. It's let's see. What is notes of star apple and hibiscus? And I guess it's the hibiscus I really like. I got some sugar-free, 0 sugar lemonade, some half and half, and some pepperoncini slices. So I like to smear a little cream cheese and do those salami bites with a slice of salami, a little smear of cream cheese, and these makes a great snack for lunches or whatever. And literally, okay, and then I bought a couple bottles of wine, so we're looking at, I spent $64. Not all of it's gonna give me rewards points, but that's nothing. There's no meat here, there's nothing. The prices of everything, the only meat that they had on sale was, they had, what you call it? 2 for 1, so buy one, get one free for chicken, but the chicken was, you know, $6 a pound. They had beef, chuck roast, I believe, was $5.77 a pound. I'm gonna pass, I have plenty. So, yeah, my little grocery hauls are getting smaller and smaller, and that's okay. I'm good with that. I still have some veggies left from last week. Today, though, I'm going to do a video for you coming up with using the Salisbury steak. So I want you to stay tuned for that. If I didn't already post it for you, this should come out tomorrow, but we'll see. And yeah, I'm happy, but goodness gracious, I don't know how families, you know, family of 4 or 5 or 6 people, how they afford to go to the grocery store. It's ridiculous. I watched a couple of people ahead of me that spent in upwards of $300 for probably a week's worth of groceries. You know what I mean? So it's kind of scary. Anyways, thankfully I have prepped ahead, and I'll be eating a lot of spendy meats and stuff like that off of yesterday's shelf price. So, okay, or yesterday's sale price. So I'm gonna get this stuff put away. I hope that this inspires you to check your prices. Now, I didn't look at gas. I didn't get gas yet today. I believe that it is still holding steady at $3.60 or $3.49 a gallon. I'll have to update you on that, but yeah, this is what you get for $64. Ew, crazy. It's not very much food. I mean, it's something to do a canning project, and then some lemons for some water, drinks, little parts of a salad, but not even a whole salad. So there you go. All right, enough of that, and I can't wait to see you next time. Hopefully for another delicious recipe using, oh, it's gonna be delicious, the baby bella mushrooms, and quite possibly the barbecue sauce. I'll definitely film that for you, but leave me a comment. Let me know what kind of barbecue sauce you'd like to see me make, and maybe I'll incorporate that into the video. All right.